Hello everybody and welcome to an episode of the Electrical Apprentice. Alright, so stay tuned. Welcome back friends. So from today on we did manage to inscribe ourselves to an Electrical Apprentice course. So today we're gonna isolate the wires. As you can see here, this one coming from the plug. We're gonna join them together with scotch tape. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so it's very difficult to find hand, but we got the idea. We're gonna scotch tape all these wires. Damn it, I missed one. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell, man. Lots of wires in one plug. Jesus Christ. There you go, friends. Fucking hit the jackpot. An octopus inside the plug. Or that. Shit, fucking jackpot. So friends, this one is gonna be a new series from now on, the Electrical Apprentice, that you can follow, share and subscribe. I'm gonna show you lots of new stuff and maybe we're gonna learn together how to do electrical circuitry like this one. Today is an easy job, just isolating the wires, you know, everybody knows how to do it. I don't know why we do it exactly as this one, but I'm guessing to prevent the corrosion of the wires and to prevent somebody to get a shock like. As you can see, there is a lot of construction all over the place. I'm gonna show you from now on beautiful places and horrible places as well. Let's see what's down there. It's a little bit till down. See lots of stuff, but also we're gonna learn together how to make electrical circuitry from now on, like a pros. There you go, friends. We are on top of the world, and as you can see from now on, still near the fucking sea, all over the place. So friends, stay tuned to the Electrical Apprentice new series from now on, and in the meanwhile, thumbs up, subscribe, share the fun, and see you on the next one. Ciao ciao.